Hey everybody, this is Dan with Sierra Nevada UTV. So today we're going to talk about the ICYBREEZE, a general AC unit. And I'm not going to take the credit for this. This is actually, the credit goes to JH Motorsports. He's a YouTuber, check him out. Has a lot of informational videos on side-by-sides. Look him up, cool cat. I've talked to him on Messenger. He's pretty helpful. So, this is it. This is not made for the general specifically. This is actually an outdoor thing, or this is a camping or on the beach. That's where it's meant to be used. It's not meant to be used with this application, but this is what we're doing. So, it's basically an ice chest. It's got a condenser. It pumps cold water through the condenser and then blows from there out this duct. Okay. What they do offer, so we have a cigarette lighter power cord and then an on and off switch is what we opt for. They do offer a battery that you can get. I think it lasts from 4 to 6 hours, something like that, which will you could delete your power. You could also get just 110 power too. You can get that. Comes in 3 different speeds. We leave it on high, is what we do, and then we'll just turn it on and off as needed. Now, moving forward, this thing will eat ice. So my suggestion is, if you're gonna go with something like this, use blocked ice. Probably, I think we could fit 3 of them in there, and then any other little crevice, we just get like bigger chunks of ice and we'll just fill them up that way. And it seems to hold for about 6 hours ish, and it got up to about 96 in Nevada when we went out and did it. So installation. So what I did is, what they sell just this duct that goes into this tube and then it blows out from there. So you could buy kits with other ducting in it. So we put a hole in the, I guess that's firewall panel, and what it takes is it's single in, dual out. So we duct into there. We put 2 holes in there for on and off switch, and then power. We'll go inside the side by side here, and then what we did is, from the Y, we ran a duct over the back behind the back seat and then up right there. And we got the same thing on the driver's side. What we are going to do, more than likely, is extend this one more, and then extend the other one more. So it's basically on the passenger and driver. Anyway, so we also installed some fans for better circulation. We get kind of weird weather here in California. Let's fire this thing up. We'll see. Yeah, so basically what it's doing is it's pulling that air through the condenser, and it's cold at that point, and then it's just blowing in through into the cab, is what it's doing. So keep in mind, what we've done is we've insulated the firewall with, I think it's 200 mil from Amazon, and I can't remember what that is. I think it's a different type of material. The other material is foam. This is, I think, an 80. I could be wrong. I don't know, but it's a lighter type of insulation, which helps with the noise and to keep the cool air in. Wintertime would be cold air out, and it really keeps the noise down. Another thing we did is we installed a T-Rec Solutions carpet kit. I would suggest their product. One of the things that we're going to have a video on is Velcro sticks to this stuff pretty well. We got a first aid pack that we put right here just for ease of access, is what it is for everybody. So let's see what else. Yeah, I mean, it works good. It keeps it cool. We insulated this tunnel as well. We got to do the front tunnel. We're going to do some insulation for radiator purposes. We're getting a lot of hot air from the radiator, but yeah, everything works good. I hope this video is helping you guys out with, you know, if you guys needed a, Generals didn't come factory with AC, they don't even have that option, but here's the option, and thanks to JH Motorsports for for that. Again, this is an ICYBREEZE. Just go on their website, check them out if anything, and then you can get all your Y and then your extra ducting and so on and so forth. So something else we want to talk about is, this is going to be one of our next videos, Bombshell Gear. If you're not familiar with Bombshell Gear, what they do is they offer Molly door bags is what they are. This is the universal set, since they don't make a set for the General, but they make them for Can-Am, they make them for the Polaris RZR, Pro R, so on and so forth. And what we're going to talk about is basically we got these Molly bags, and we're going to put some basically survival gear in them. So let's just say we get stuck out in the woods and we're by ourselves. At least we'll have, you know, food, so on and so forth, for, you know, or emergency poncho in case it starts raining. We'll do a whole video on that. But anyways, great products. This will be the second car we ran them in, so yeah, go check them out. So another video that we're going to be doing is the installation of the Razorback Technology temp gauge. That's always good to know what your belt temperature is. And then also the aux beam control panel. So where we're going to mount it, what we're going to plug into it, the whole 9 yards. So anyways, look forward to those. Crystal's actually going to do a first aid kit video as well. So look forward to that, and what that has in it, and what we've the information that we've gathered up, and what we're going to use